Hi, my name's Cecilia and I'm a Norwegian interior designer based in Dubai. I've lived as an expat most of my life, and that's given me the opportunity to explore and understand lots of different cultures, and I believe that's reflected in my work. I came to Dubai to work for His Royal Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum to work on his palaces. And from there on, I set up Cecilia Clason Interiors, which focused on hospitality, office design and luxury homes, both in the region and internationally. As Dubai is such an international travel hub, it means that I'm easily accessible to all my international clients. What makes me different from other designers, I believe, is that I spend a lot of time listening to my clients to understand who they are and how they live. And that really allows me to then put the design ideas together, and that's the key to delivering successful projects.